What's up, everybody? So last time we left off with the Conquest, I broke the V-band clamp because I don't know my own strength. So since then, I got a new V-band clamp for the adapter. I couldn't get it welded or anything like that, but just because I didn't have time to take it anywhere. But I did get a new V-band clamp for it, and it's a lot beefier, so it's sealing the adapter to the housing a lot better. So what we're going to do today is we're going to throw the downpipe back on, go get some gas because we don't want to run out of gas again, and then we're going to take the Conquest for a spin, see how it's running. So yeah, we're going to get to it. Alright, so downpipe's on, and you can see, I don't know if you even paid attention to the old clamp, but I think I threw it away already. Anyway, but it's a lot thicker, it's a lot more sturdy. So that's on, so now we're gonna go get some gas. And what do we have here? Ta-da!
It broke down.
It broke down?
It broke down right there. The head gasket blew.
Alright, so we successfully made it back from our gas trip. So I'm gonna put some gas in this here Conquest, and we'll go take it for a little rip. See what happens. Alright, we're gonna start it up. I haven't started this in, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, I think, because before last week we did a video on the Super, right?
Yes, last week was podcast only. Before that was
This might help.
it Supra?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah, so it's been about 3 weeks since this has been started up. So
I don't know anymore.
we'll see what happens, I guess.
I don't even know what day it is.
Well, obviously it's Sunday.
What year is it?
Where are you?
I just don't know. Maybe the camera wanted to see me. Did you think about that? Why is it always got to be about you?
Just has to be.
If there was no R, would it really be S and R?
Scott Racing.
He's got me there. I got nothing. He's too clever for me.
That battery's dead.
You want me to push you off the ramp so you can kickstart it? Okay.
Pop the hood.
Hit the button. Hit it.
I can't get out. Cables are in the back.
Ow. Trade me. I can't.
I can't get out. I'm stuck. OLS to save the day.
Huh?
OLS to save the day.
Vortex, baby.
Yeah.
Man, that's what I should put in the Supra.
An LS?
Huh?
An LS?
Yeah.
You do what you want, man.
Roadmaster.
Randall found a Buick Roadmaster on Facebook Marketplace. How much was that thing?
Huh?
How much was it?
What?
The Roadmaster.
$1,000. It was like 50. There's one in Florence for $1,500. Nothing wrong with it, except it needs a distributor cap.
So he found a
got a
Buick
small block.
Roadmaster with a small block for $1,000, and he wants to get rid of the Super and get that.
It's got a small block Chevy and a 700R out the box.
Let us know in the comments if Randall should go further with this transaction.
about 11 now.
It's like almost 180.
Okay, you should be good. It should be at idle 14.7. Still 11. Leave it there. 114. feels better.
Yeah.
I mean, I've never driven it, but
didn't like that. Not boosting.
you got ignition. Something's going on with your ignition.
No ripping it today, boys.
Baby steps.
Yeah. Now it's lean.
If you got a misfire, it's going to read lane.
Didn't completely die. well, this is a really short video, but made a little bit of progress. We got it idling at, leaner. It's not idling at.
It was
10.
I mean, it was idling nice until your ignition break up, and then it just fell on its face.
Yeah, so
something's going on with the ignition.
Yeah, whenever we tried to put it in boost a little bit, it wouldn't do anything. So got to check the error codes again. I know I got one for the TPS and ignition pulse. So I don't know what that is. We'll have to check timing too. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Still trying to get things plugged away for the 21st. Hopefully the Conquest will make it. I'm pretty confident the Super will be there.
Hopefully. It's not going to be a good time driving 2 hours with no dash lights.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, the Conquest, I mean, just cruising, it felt fine. So now it's the opposite. Like before in boost, it was awesome. It felt great. But cruising, it was kind of iffy. But now cruising feels good. But no, I won't go into boost. But, it's just one of those things that we got to overcome. Good note, no leaks or anything that I know of. I got out and checked. There's no coolant leaks, no oil leaks. But yeah, like I said, this is going to wrap it up for this video. Go check out our podcast, our new and improved podcast. It's on all the podcast apps. I'll put all the links in the description if you don't know where to listen to it. But we're on Anchor, Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, anything.
Podcast Addict.
Yeah. By the time this video is out, there'll probably be some new shirts on the website to help support the podcast. So if you buy a shirt, that can go towards us buying better equipment, better microphones, and all that good stuff.
Help us entertain you.
Yeah. All right. That's it. See you next week.
Bye-bye.